Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video today. If you're trying to find fuses relays for the parking brake, some people call it e-brake as well. Stay with us, we'll explain that on this generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Please guys, do not waste any money on parts tools diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix if you have problems with the parking brake. After that, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out, all this video will be on the channel. Guys, in addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the parking brake, fuses, relays came to explain what you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now guys, depending on the year model, you may have up to 2 different types of fuse boxes. We'll explain about both. Make sure to stay until the end. First we need to open the hood, and when you face the engine on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, on the left side here is the main engine fuse box. Open the cover guys. Underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one here for 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this is 2011 to 2013. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, specifically here we need to check the practically the fuses for the ABS brake module, because they control it as well. And the fuses that we need to check here specifically, guys, okay, let's talk about that now, guys. We're talking first about fuse J6. So you wonder where all these fuses, the J fuses are actually, guys, the big fuses that you see right here. Those are the ones that we will need to start checking, and J6 is right here. Then you need to check fuse number J7, which, by the way, the numbers do not make any sense. J7 is right here. Next you're going to go to fuse J9, and J9, guys, okay, give me a second, it's that fuse right here. And next we need to locate fuse number M37, which, guys, M37 will be that 10 amp fuse that you barely see right here. Now for 2012 to 2014 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee, here, guys, things will differ. We need to check fuse number F6 right here. Then we need to check fuse number F26 right there. And you need to check fuse number F76. So that's 72, 3, 4, 5, 6. These fuses. So those are the fuses and relays that we will need to check for the parking brake on Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model. They may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.